All right, guys, my favorite part of this show, the week actually, no pain, no gain. It's when we take a look at the stocks that we've talked about that are in the news. So we don't try to cherry pick, but the ones that have made big news. Now, first up is Logman. I've mentioned this more than once. Go back to July when we first started the show. I mentioned it again. It's up 24%. We've taken profits. We're not in it. Matt, I kind of remember you liking Logman.
I do. I like Logman a lot. I think that's one of the small name tech companies that you can ride. Nobody knows about it.
I own Logman.
Do you really?
Yes. I've had it for over 2 years now.
It's so embarrassing because I tried to pronounce it all as one word. I thought it was like a ramen noodles or something. Log me in. We made money on it. You did too. You really made money in this one. Skechers. Oh my goodness. Exploded. Now, we talked about this more than once. The first time was in October, up 20%. Again, we've taken profits on it only because I've been a little worried with the way it reacts when it has bad news. They really hammer it. There's some kind of negative force in there, some shorters, I guess, but they're producing.
I got to tell you, though, I love the fundamentals in the stock. The chart's fantastic. This is one I would buy. I'd hold on to. I think it's got higher to go.
And I would also say that we're holding Under Armour and Nike, so I felt overloaded in the space. Do you know this one, Skechers?
Yes, I do, and we've talked about Skechers, and it seems just to march upwards, but I am a little wary sometimes of the shoe plate. Of the shoe
itself?
Yes,
okay. I know management sort of has a mixed background, let's just put it that way. Finally, after the bell, Zillow, they just reported their earnings. I talked about it. They missed by 2 cents. Beat on the top line, though. It's up just slightly since I first had it on the show, but it's up big because they say it's truly a deal. It's going to happen next week, perhaps even on Tuesday. We see some of these high flyers coming back, getting hot again.
I don't like this. This is one of the companies I stay away from. I know it's up big, but I'm staying away from this one.
Yeah, but it's in the same vein as a Yelp or this is a hot area, and it's going to.
Here's the beauty. Whether people are buying a house, moving it to rent, I think people are going to be on the move. And I just think they're going to do extraordinarily well. Maybe work their way into but I think it's going back to $130, $140 a share. All right, guys, it's your turn now. Hilary, you picked Owens Corning back in October. It's done pretty well. It's up only 23%. they reported this week,
right? They reported, and Owens Corning was very positive on guidance for 2015, insulation, roofing, and the foreign currency hit was only $20 million, and the fact that they were able to overcome any of that. And they say that they're very positive on housing, and OC is a great company to own.
We're seeing a lot of signs that housing could be on the cusp there. A lot of signs.
I like. I've been playing this housing since the show started. So I'm hoping for it to take off.
All right. Now, you also liked, speaking of what you liked Zoetis. Back in October, they reported this week. It was up. It was a little flat today, but you're still up 27%. My subscribers, we're long this stock. I love it. It's the day before Valentine's Day. We don't love anything more than we love our pets.
Yep. And this pharmaceuticals for your pets. I mean, if you look, the money's being spent on pets and even poultry and that type of stuff for our food. It's an amazing amount of money. Be top line, be bottom line. A lot of new drugs going out. That's going to fuel the growth going forward.
Our pets. I mean, we love our pets.
Your kids are watching the show.
Well, they love the pets more than me.
Charles, he loves you too, guys. Just letting you know.
The kids stopped watching the show.
We actually have more pets than people in the country, so that's usually a good place to have money.
Yeah, I know, and we do. Man.
And I will tell you, we have 2 dogs. My wife has 2 dogs, and they cost money.
They do. Well, I have a dog that gets insulin shots twice a day.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but we love them.
I hope you.
All right.